Hello students, today we are studying Logistics Management, chapter number 3. The term logistics stems from the Greek word logistikos, means the science of computing and calculating. It was used first in military. Webster defines logistics as the procurement, maintenance and transportation of military materials, facilities and personnel. From military point of view, logistics refers to a supportive system which reflects the practical art of moving armies and materials engaged in combats enemy to achieve the desired results. Today in the industrial and commercial world, logistics has acquired wider meaning. The Council of Logistics Management (CLM) has defined it in 1991. Logistics is the process of planning, implementing and controlling of efficient, effective flow and storage of goods, services and related information from the point of origin to the point of consumption for the purpose of conforming to customer expectations. So logistics is getting the right product to the right customer in proper quantity, in the right condition, at the right place, at the proper time and at the right cost. Let's see what are the different significance or objectives of logistics management. First is the logistics management is significant for the first reason is the cost reduction and profit maximization. Logistics management results in cost reduction and profit maximization primarily due to improved material handling, safe, speedy and economical transportation, optimum number and convenient location of warehouses, etc. Next objective is the efficient flow of manufacturing operations. Inbound logistics helps in the efficient flow of manufacturing operations due to on-time delivery of materials, proper utilization of materials and semi-finished goods in the production process and so on. Third is the competitive edge. Logistics provide, maintain and sharpen the competitive edge of an enterprise by increasing sales through providing better customer service, arranging for rapid and reliable delivery, and avoiding errors in order processing and so on. Next objective of the logistics management is effective communication system. An efficient information system is must for sound logistics management. As such, logistics management helps in developing effective communication system for continuous interface with suppliers and rapid response to customers' inquiries. And last is the sound inventory management. Sound inventory management is byproduct of logistics management. A major headache of production management, financial management, etc. is how to ensure sound inventory management, which headache is cured by logistics management. There are some missions of logistics management. These are to make available the right quantity of right quality product at the right time and place in the right physical condition. In short, to ensure timely and interact delivery of goods and services to customers as per their requirements and specifications, to offer the best possible customer service of core competency, to minimize total logistical cost, to maintain transparency in operations. The logistics management is the part of the supply chain process which actually plans, implements and controls the efficient, effective forward and reverse flow of storage of goods, services and related information between point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet the customer requirements. This is regarding introduction of the logistics management. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.